In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay a Vive Financial bill online. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to confirm your payment with confidence. Before you start, have your login information ready, along with a payment source like a bank account or debit card. Make sure you're on a secure private connection and use the official Vive Financial website or app. First, sign in to your account. On the homepage, enter your username and password and complete any verification prompts if they appear. If you've misplaced your credentials, use the secure account recovery tools provided on the site rather than guessing. Look for the padlock in your browser's address bar and avoid saving your password on shared devices. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your account dashboard. Next, locate the payment area. It's typically labeled Payments, Make a Payment, or Billing. Open that section and review the helpful details you'll see, such as your current balance, the minimum due, and the due date. This is a great moment to confirm you're paying the right account and to note any messages about payment posting times or limits. Now choose a payment method. Common options include a checking or savings account via bank transfer or a debit card. If you've used a method before, you can select it from your saved options. Otherwise, add a new one. Some methods may have limits or fees, and bank transfers can take longer to post than card payments, so pick what fits your needs and timeline. Enter your payment amount and details. You can usually select the minimum due, statement balance, current balance, or type a custom amount. Choose the date you want the payment to process, today or a future date, and ensure funds will be available. If you're paying from a bank account, enter the routing and account numbers carefully. For a card, enter the card details and billing address exactly as they appear on your statements. Double-check everything for typos. When you're ready, review and submit. Confirm the payment summary, including the amount, method, and processing date. Authorize the payment, then wait for the confirmation screen or email. Save the confirmation number and consider taking a screenshot for your records. Your payment might show as pending at first. Bank transfers can take 1, 2, 3 business days to fully post, while card payments may post sooner. You can track the status in your payment history. When you're done, sign out, especially if you're on a shared device. That's it. Your Vive bill is paid online, quickly, and securely.